physicist who developed the general theory of relativity. He is considered one of the most influential scientists of the 20th century. We are talking about none other than famous mathematician and physicist Albert Einstein. Who was Albert Einstein? Let's find out. Hello cravers, welcome to Craving for Science and Technology. Today we are talking about a German mathematician and physicist who developed the special and general theories of relativity, Albert Einstein. In 1921, he won the Nobel Prize for Physics for his explanation of the photoelectric effect. In the following decade, he immigrated to the US after being targeted by the German Nazi Party. His work also had a major impact on the development of atomic energy. In his later years, Einstein focused on unified field theory. With this passion for inquiry, Einstein is generally considered the most influential physicist of the 20th century. Early life and family. Einstein was born on March 14, 1879 in Germany. Einstein grew up in a secular Jewish family. His father, Hermann Einstein, was a salesman and engineer who, with his brother, founded their own company that mass-produced electrical equipments. Einstein's mother, the former Pauline Koch, ran the family household. Einstein had one sister, Marge, born 2 years after him. Einstein attended elementary school at the Luitpold Gymnasium in Munich. However, he felt alienated there and struggled with the institution's rigid pedagogical style. He also had what were considered speech challenges, though he developed a passion for classical music and playing the violin, which would stay with him into the later years. Most significantly, Einstein's youth was marked by deep inquisitiveness and inquiry. Towards the end of the 1880s, Max Talmont, a Polish medical student who sometimes dined with the Einstein's family, became an informal tutor to young Einstein. Talmont had introduced his pupil to a children's science text that inspired Einstein to dream about the nature of light. Thus, during his teens, Einstein penned what would be seen as his major paper, The Investigation of the State of Ether in Magnetic Fields. Hermann Einstein relocated the family to Milan, Italy in the mid-1890s after his business lost out on a major contract. Einstein was left at a relative's boarding house in Munich to complete his schooling. Faced with military duty when he turned of age, Einstein allegedly withdrew from classes, using a doctor's note to excuse himself and claim nervous exhaustion. With their son rejoining them in Italy, his parents understood Einstein's perspective but were concerned about his future prospects at a school dropped and draft torture.